Number 7 in the past bar exam 2024. So we have the questionnaire. This is very short. Grand Duke Manila GDM, a 5-star world-class hotel, hired Zoe as a banquet server. GDM informed Zoe of its company rule against tattoos as part of the grooming standards. The policy prohibits hospitality staff members from having tattoo due to their different cultural meanings that might offend foreign guests. Later, GDM discovered that Zoe had an existing tattoo on her neck, which she concealed during the hiring process. After the required notices, GDM dismissed Zoe for violation of the company policy against tattoos. Is Zoe dismissal valid? Explain. Answer yes, the dismissal is valid. Under the doctrine of management prerogative, every employer has the inherent right to regulate according to his own discretion and judgment all aspects of employment, including hiring, work assignments, working methods, the time, place, and manner of work supervision, transfer of employees, layoff of workers, discipline, dismissal, and recall of employees. Rural Bank of Katilan Incorporated versus Julby. GR number 169,750, 27 February 2007. In the case of No Warren, Dusit Hotel, Nico Chapter versus Secretary of Labor and Employment and Philippine Hoteliers Incorporated, GR number 166,295, November 11, 2008, states, the union officers and members concerted action to shave their heads and crop their hair not only violated the union's duty and responsibility to bargain in good faith. Article 297, previously 282, termination by employer. An employer may terminate an employment for any of the following causes. A. Serious misconduct or willful disobedience by the employee of the lawful orders of his employer or representative in connection with his work. B. Gross and habitual neglect by the employee of his duties. C. Fraud or willful breach by the employee of the trust reposed in him by his employer or duly authorized representative. D. Commission of a crime or offense by the employee against the person of his employer or any immediate member of his family or his duly authorized representatives, and other causes analogous to the foregoing. So that's it. That's my answer for the number 7 question in the past bar exam in labor law and social legislation. I pray that we have the same answer. Thank you. Good day, good night, and God bless.